If your iPhone is not showing any Wi-Fi networks or Wi-Fi is not working, then follow this step-by-step troubleshooting tips. So first of all, let's get started with quick fixes. Open the settings app from your iPhone's home screen. Then once inside the settings app, all you have to do is tap on the Wi-Fi, then make sure the switch is on. Wait for a few seconds for networks to appear. Then go back to the settings again and simply toggle on and off the airplane mode. Turn on airplane mode and wait for at least 10 seconds, then turn it off. Then all you have to do is go back to the Wi-Fi settings and see if network shows up. After that, restart your iPhone. Press and hold power plus volume button or power button only on older models. Then slide to power off will appear on your iPhone's home screen. Now do it and wait for 30 seconds and power it back on. Now, as we have done the quick fixes but still does not work, then all you have to do is go to the settings app on your iPhone's home screen, then tap on the Wi-Fi again. Then once inside the Wi-Fi, all you have to do is tap on the eye icon available right next to the network you are connected to. Then tap on the forget this network option available there and confirm the forget and reconnect manually. This will fix the Wi-Fi glitches on your iPhone as well. So now, once done so, go back to the settings again, then tap on the general option available in there. Then once you tap on the general, scroll down till the bottom and tap on the transfer or reset iPhone. Then all you have to do is tap on the reset, then tap on the reset network settings. This will remove all the saved Wi-Fi passwords and you will have to re-enter it again. So basically, if none of these are working, then it might be due to the hardware issues. This might be an hardware issues like antenna or chip problem. So all you have to do is visit an Apple store or authorized repair center. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.